Just prepare your heart. In this 2024, prepare your heart. Prepare your heart. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. But what you have to do is to prepare. Preparation, the power of preparation. You have to prepare your heart in this 2024. Prepare your heart for total restoration that we are talking about in this 2024. This year 2024, you have to start prepare your heart for the greatest encounter with Jesus Christ. Prepare your heart for the miraculous signs in your life. This 2024, you have to prepare your heart. In whatever you are going to do this 2024, just prepare your heart. Before you go to church, prepare your heart. Before you go to work, prepare your heart. The power of preparation. The power of preparation. Preparation helps Joshua to fight the Canaanites, the Gigashites, all the tribes that dwell in Canaan. All start with the preparation, because if you read Joshua chapter 1, it says, Joshua, prepare. Joshua, prepare. That's the Almighty in conversation with Joshua. He instructed Joshua to prepare. So there's power in preparation. In whatever you are going to do in this 2024, start prepare your heart. Preparation is of paramount importance in this 2024. Preparation is of paramount importance in this 2024. Uchaona kuti kana mukadzi achinga akazvitakura anotanga kuita preparation yechinhu chichada kuuya. Anotanga kutenga hembe dzemwana asati apo, asi dzemwana achada kuuya. Saka there is power in preparation. Paari kuprepare, ari kuprepare chaari kuziva kuti chichada kuuya. Kana chauya chichawana pekugara, chichawana a housing yakarongeka. Saka paucha prepare mugore rino, pauri kuprepare mushoko rese richauya mauri, richawana pekugara nekuda kwekuti wakanga wakarigadzirira. Chinozoitika kuti unge uchizotadza kubata shoko rataurwa inyaya yekuti wanga usina kuprepare for that word. Chimweni chinoita kuti madeclarations nemaprophecies anga achitaurwa mukati meupenyu hwako otadza kuzadzikisika inyaya yekuti you are not yet prepare your heart for the greatest encounter with Jesus Christ. Prepare your heart. This 2024, prepare your heart. Patiri kutanga gore rino, prepare your heart for the greatest encounter with Jesus Christ. Just prepare your heart. There's power in preparation. There's power in preparation. If you prepare your heart very well, you are going to see the hand of God stretched upon your life, and your life will never be the same again. Why? Because you prepare your heart. Gone are the days when you say, my life will never be the same again, whilst you are not yet prepared the housing and the heart that the word of God must dwell in. Tapedza nguwa yakareba tichingoti my life will never be the same again, but the heart is not prepared. So starting from today, you have to prepare your heart. You have to prepare your heart for the greatest encounter with Jesus Christ. This is 2024. Just prepare your heart for the greatest encounter with Jesus Christ. And shalom.